My name is Rich Hare, and I'm an electronics engineer with NASA Langley Research Center in the Remote Sensing Flight Systems branch. I got involved with NASA through an internship program called LARS, and that program was offered through the support of the Virginia Space Grant Consortium. So as a rising senior in college, I actually had the opportunity to come on center and work with researchers here and just get hands-on experience in my area, which was electromagnetics. And so that was just a really neat experience to kind of get my feet wet. And that guided me throughout the rest of my college as I sought out other scholarships and continued that research. And so that led the pathway for me to become a full-time engineer here at NASA. Ever since I've been here, which has been about 2 years now, I've worked with a remote sensing project, sensing the atmosphere basically. It's called High Spectral Resolution LiDAR. And with this project, I'm designing and working with other engineers to design a second generation instrument. They already have an instrument that's in service now. And so with this new instrument, we're going to be flying in an airplane. And basically it sends out a laser pulse. And this laser pulse traverses through the atmosphere, and then part of that light gets reflected back to our instrument. And based on the content of that light information, we can pick apart, the scientists they can pick apart what we've hit, whether it's dust or ice, or get an idea of the type of clouds that are up there. And so this information is very important to scientists because it folds into the global climate model. And so that gives them more information to have a better understanding of our system. So what's really exciting, not only the impact that this project is going to have as far as supporting science and helping us to understand how our Earth is changing and how we affect it, but on top of that, I'm required to learn every day at work. And to me that's really cool. It's not so much of a requirement as it is a privilege to get to come to a place where they pay me to learn. I mean, that's just really cool. And so some of the things, basically I focus in on, strengthening the tool set that I have to solve problems. So I think it's really important as an engineer to be a good problem solver. Not only as an engineer, but other professions as well. And so a lot of those tools that I need to do my job, I got in high school. I mean, it sounds crazy, what do you learn in high school that can be applied? I mean, but really a lot of what I do is basic math, just understanding basic physics and science principles, and that really folds into what I do every day. And so whether you're an engineer, a teacher, or you're looking to be a healthcare professional, or even an auto mechanic, I mean, the tools you need in your tool bag come from the classes that you take back in high school, and then what you may strengthen if you choose to go to college. So that's been really important to me, and I'm excited to be where I am, and thankful that I get to learn every day. It's just really cool.